Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exascaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price go in, I say fix things. Rocket don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I'm my bad sentences, not people or things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back right, keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by it and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. End of day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, truth, cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings, but did you get some River or Pump or My Ex? The list goes, well, I was going to say on and on, but not really. Here we go. In 3, 2, and a 1. A bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time it is your time, it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, all the acronyms, all the stuff that just confuses traders, period. We have a schematic R2D2 that just played out. It was an R247, but then it broke the look. It's like, really? How many schematics do you have? We trade level by level. And speaking about level by level, Mr. Newbie Crypto killed it with River today. River was one of his trades. He took the long, and today it went up 38.2%. Wow. Congrats, my friend. Who took the trade, guys? Who took the trade? Put threes in the chat. Put threes in the chat. Sorry, too soon. Let's see here. Let's say hi to the chat real quick. We do have Sin in the house. Thank you, Sin, for being here. Appreciate you greatly. I hope you're safe. I hope you're nice and warm. Of course, the weather is pretty, well, I was going to say unpredictable, but we kind of know that it's going to be getting cold on the most parts of the states, and freezing rain and possibly power outages. But we'll see. We'll see how that goes. We got a newbie crypto in the house. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you greatly. We got Mr. David. What's up, David? Appreciate you, man, being here. Mark Dudge in the house. You wanted ice. Now you got some ice. There you go. David says over 8 inches of rain here. Nice. That's a lot. That's a lot. What's up, legends? Appreciate you, man. A penny for your wings. I think this shirt is one of my, a penny for your thoughts. Seems a little overpriced. One of my favorite shirts. Took some scalps on Solana today as well. A lot of orders in the order books. A lot of volatility. Nice. We got Johnny December on X. What's up, man? Appreciate you for supporting the X stream. Greatly appreciate you. Yeah. Today I just got home. Literally. Got home about an hour ago, I guess. Got home, ate, was outside until it got too cold. So I literally just came inside maybe 10 minutes ago. It was like, oh, the stream. So it's pretty chilly outside. And then the temperature dropped like a good 5-10 degrees the last like hour. So got the heater on today. It's cold though, but doing the steps. So hopefully I won't need to put the jacket on. We'll see. All right, those are the daily cryptos. No movement really on a bunch of coins, just sideways action, except for 4, 5. We have lit just under double digits, but that's the closest one to a double digit. Let's go to the hourly time frame. On the hourly, not looking too exciting. Nothing really. Let's go to the Fear and Greed Index. It was 25, and now it is 25. Let's go to the liquidation seat map. Gonna refresh this. We're gonna go to the 24-hour time frame. Gonna reduce the liquidation threshold, the liquidity threshold, to 0.5. Thanks to our buddy Al, who was a successful trader. And he told us about this. It was right in front of our eyes. We just never looked. Same thing with this little check mark. That way we can look fancy, looking smart. We're closer to the liquidation to the downside. And we mentioned this last night. It doesn't look strong. And also, I didn't do an update video this morning because it was the same thing from last night. Bitcoin doesn't look strong. It looks pretty gross. Pretty gross. But we are going to...
Johnny December has donated $10 and says sending some warmth from the Caribbean.
So jealous. So jealous. Thank you, Johnny December. You're the best and my favorite. Joe, you only save people.
Johnny December has donated $10 and says sending some warmth from the Caribbean.
Wow. You're my double favorite. Joe, you only say he's your favorite because he donated. Maybe. Thank you, Johnny. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you greatly. So hopefully we might continue just to get over with, come down really quick to go up. We'll see. We got lots of liquidation to the downside, and as we're kind of slowly going down, we're creating a lot of liquidity to the upside. So just to let you know. Let's see here. Very nice. Supporting on YouTube as well. Appreciate you greatly. Appreciate you. See here. D.U says, adding another like to the algorithm. I love it. Thank you, D.U. Appreciate you, man. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know as well. Melissa, one love in the house. What's going on? What's going on? Johnny for mod. Let's go. You too can be a mod. It's only $99 a month. Let's go. No, no, okay. Show me your coconuts. You funny. You funny. Let's see here. All right, so we're all caught up. Year's gain 100%, 100%. And I appreciate the donation, man. I really do. So thank you. So in reference to food, what kind of prep did I do for food in case the power goes out? I bought peanut butter jelly and bread. That's the extent of my prep for food. So I think that's kind of funny. Just in case, you never know. Peanut butter jelly, you got the sweet and you got the all the stuff for the peanut butter. So that's good. All right, moving on. Carbs, all that fun stuff. Protein. Let's look at the 12-hour time frame. On the 12-hour, same thing. Liquidations to the upside and the downside. Let's go to the 3-day. On the 3-day, we're seeing the bigger picture. We have really hot spots to the downside. Now, this used to be nice and hot yesterday. No, it's not so hot anymore. And now they're further down, or rather, this was the area also. And sure enough, remember yesterday there was a lot right here, but now they moved down. Nothing really to the upside as far as the brightness. The brighter it is, the more liquidations. On the weekly, let's see here. Mark Dutch says, expensive wrench. Yes. $99 a month, and you too can be a mod. We got Strega Heart in the house. What's up, Strega Heart? Appreciate your man being here. That's funny. Johnny December says, I haven't made a trade in 10 days. Very smart. Very smart. You know, sometimes you just gotta wait. You know, for me, I like doing the trades. I just do scalps. Could they turn into swings? Sure. So what does that mean? You know, I take a trade. Hopefully it lasts an hour or two. But if it continues going, well, then it lasts half a day, maybe a day. Continues going, well, then maybe it lasts a few days. So we'll see. Haven't been on the charts. Yeah, I just, like I said, as soon as I got home, I checked my trades, got stopped out. I was doing 2 longs, just, you know, poop coins, really. One was gun, the other one was Rave, I think. I entered them this morning, and they were looking good. They were looking good. Then I checked and stopped out. But I had my stop loss super tight, and I'm glad I put it too, because if not, I would have lost more money because it would have been further down. But yeah, so tempted, but not trading for my phone. Yeah, I don't have anything on my phone. I used to a long time ago, and I would trade, and I'd be out, and I'd be drinking, and you know, it's like that's not a good combination. So yeah. That's very true. Let's see here. So the weekly, you know, we have some really nice liquidations to the downside, around 88.2, and then 91.895. But again, it's not looking strong for me. And we're gonna look at the Bitcoin chart in just a second. So we may come down to around 88.2 to come up, and then maybe we start changing the trend. We start doing higher highs, higher lows, and continue what we were doing, going towards that 100K. But again, level by level. On Clash, prices here. We're thinking it could go up to come down. If it does, maybe a bounce here. We went up a little bit more than I thought, coming down. So if we break this pivot, moon mission, potentially. If we come up and we start coming down and breaking this pivot, we could go back to this bounce zone, hopefully. And then if so, if we don't bounce, so give you a heads up. Give you a heads up. Now let's look at a Bitcoin. Prices will be here. We're saying 12 hours minimum. Next day, we're over here. We're saying 12 hours minimum. Again, next day, we're over here. Same scenario. But now because price action is kind of just going sideways and maybe a little bit lower, it's losing momentum, it had a chance to bounce here. And this was my plan A yesterday for the past couple of days. Then last night I said, man, I'm taking my plan A from here, putting it down here, just because we're going sideways. We're going sideways and losing momentum, losing strength. Right now we broke again underneath this trend line. We have our trend line right here. So we broke again underneath the trend line. Not looking good. Mark Judge says, put in my last few dollars into Hundo. I need that new car. Let's go. With a brand new car. Hey, we got Crypto Change Me in the house. What's up, Crypto Change Me? Dude, you're killing it on your videos. Loving the editing, loving the just everything you're doing on your videos, man. Absolute fire. Fire. Love it. Yeah, Bitcoin and pattern traders, I would not disagree with them. Let's go ahead and hide all this junk. Let's hide all this junk. I would not disagree with them if they happen to say, Joe, we have a bear pennant. You know, we have this leg, 4-hour time frame with this leg, then we have this. I would not disagree. Now, granted, I don't like that there's all this gap right here. So what you could do is you could do something like this and have this as a zone for potential bounce. I would not be upset with that. I would be upset with people saying, look, we have a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Really? I don't think so. Open your eyes. But it's not looking strong. That much we know. And matter of fact, we could do a trend line. Just looking at this right now. Make sure the magnet tool is on. Using the rate tool, that way there's two anchor points. We're gonna go candle body close to candle body close. We're also gonna do this wick to this wick, and sure, whatever. We'll do this one to this, but we'll change this color. And then let's get fancy with it. Let's use this poly line, and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click here. Click here. Click on the thingamabob. Dang it! And then click again. Okay, so it fills it up. So this is our. We don't want to break below this level, and we're breaking below the level. So could we continue coming down a little bit more to come up, bump our head once again on this anchored VWAP, which right now we have a high, a lower high, candle body closes, and then a lower high to come and get boop, boop, possible, unless we start breaking levels to the upside. And this is why I trade level by level. And let's say we come up here, we bounce our head, or get rejected off of these other anchored VWAPs. Let's say like this. Maybe come down a little bit more. Come up, come down. Now let's go. Moon mission. Because now we can come after all this and all this. But again, like it looks very bearish. Very bearish, incredibly bearish. So could we bounce and go straight up? Sure, why not? But to me, it's looking bearish right now. Until we break above these anchored VWAPs. Actually, let's make it a zone. Magnet tool on. From the candle body close to the wick. Come up here. Let's do this. This is the zone I'm looking at. And the zone is 90.5, 90.3. This is the zone. So whenever I click on this box, you see these two numbers pop up. And that's the zone. So what we need to do potentially. Come up to the top of the zone, break out of the zone, come back past the zone, retest the zone. And let's change this color. Let's do it like this. Hopefully that doesn't look too disgusting. Okay, so let's look at what we got. Lots of chats. I love it. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Oh yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, your videos they're killing it, dude. Big time killing it. See, Johnny says just chilling on the island. Man, relaxing. Nice. Life is good. Not freezing. Yeah. So I did do some prep. I bought a big whatever it is. It's an indoor heater. I saw the price and I was at Ace Hardware. I saw the price. I was like, I think I'm just gonna get this other one. And they're like, oh no, you don't want that one. That one you won't be alive. I was like, oh, okay, this is just for outdoors. Yeah, that's only outdoors. I was like, all right. So I ended up getting it. And then today, this morning, early, I went looking for the attachment for the attachment hose, and then also like some kind of filter, or I don't know what it is. That part too. And then of course I had to buy the propane. So I spent some money the past couple of days. Don't like it, but I did that. And I did not buy the stove, which I want, and I've been wanting, but I didn't buy it. It's like $40, and then I gotta buy the propane. I don't like spending like a lot. I don't know, I'm weird. I'd rather spend a little bit of money every day than one chunk all at once. I'm just weird that way. And I doubt tomorrow I'll wake up early again. I might, but I do want that. I do want that stove, because you never know. And not only that, but it's good just to have it. You never know what might happen. But that's what I got. So we'll see. But as far as food wise, peanut butter jelly. That's my stuff. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, nice, bro. I'm in South Florida. My friend is enjoying the warm tropical weather. Nice. Let's see here. Nice. Hey, we got Meet Damien in the house. Pax Gold hit 51 today. Buy the dip. The trend is your friend. Then you're going to join the party. See, when are you going to join the party and trade? Too risky for me, man. I don't trade that way. Like right here's where I think Meet Damien said. I think. Oh no, never mind. We're over here. It's too risky. I'm not doing it. I can't do it. Oh, this was the pullback I was talking about. I can't do it. Could it continue going up? Sure. You know, could you come in tomorrow and say, Joe, it's at 52? I told you. Sure. But like I will not buy on a pump. Joe, it's at 54. I told you. Good for you. Man, I hope you killed it. I hope you make a crap load of money. To me, it's too late. I'm too late for the party. Everybody's already drunk, passed out, you know, throwing up. I show up, it's like, man, I don't want to clean up the mess. I'll go find another party. You know what I mean? Or wait till they have another party. You know, that's what I do. Johnny December says, you're pretty close. Very nice. Nice. Too bad the song originally is about a Dutch oven. Let's see here. Going to the list. I did 115% gains with 40x leverage on Pax Gold. Oof, ouch. That is crazy. Oh, successful. This was yesterday, so maybe here. What's today? 24. So that was 23. Maybe on this little dip you bought. Nice buy. Very nice. Very, very nice. You said 40x. So this could have happened. Of course it didn't, which is good. But you know, you're buying the dip. Oh, it's coming up. Nice. Boom. Stopped out. Oh, it's coming up again. Oh, nice. Boom. Stopped out. And then you try it again and finally makes it. Here. Nice. Actually, this level right here. And it got perfect. Went up to it and came back down. Broke the level. Boom. Enter. But yeah, I haven't been watching it. And just moon mission. Moon mission. Nice little retrace. But for me, it moved too much. So here, me Damien says, Pax Gold is such an easy trade to take. It is in a rising channel. Just buy the bottom, and the channel must stop. Wait. So you just buy the bottom of the channel, put your stop loss below, last higher low. There you go. And very nice. And then if you get stopped out, well, then you get stopped out. You try a short, or you wait for it to get back in the channel, and you just trade that. That'll work. So here. So here. Sleepy Hollow Crypto in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you. San Antonio, I miss San Antonio so much, man. It's 22 there. It should get 24 in Georgia, where I'm at Monday morning. Man, I miss San Antonio. Man, do I miss it. I had the best little spot. And there was a Mexican restaurant literally across the street from where I was at. I would call up my order. I would drive 2 minutes because I had to wait for the traffic to go. I'd go in there, pull in. They're like, oh, Joe. Now play. I'd go and get my food, come back, all within 8 minutes, 10 minutes, depending if there was, maybe somebody in front of me. And eating those homemade tortillas, real authentic tortillas, not this store-bought crap that says it's. I want a little old lady, gordita, little fat old lady, just there, doing the tortillas, has a little apron on, abuelita or abuelita. That's who I want making my tortillas. Not some AI generated pressing machine. Doesn't know how to do anything. Man, I miss San Antonio so much, man. I love San Antonio. I do miss it though, like a lot. I do like that this, where I'm at, they're small towns. Very boring, super creatively boring. And I was getting a little too wild, San Antonio. A little too wild. Sin says, peanut butter jelly time. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. We did have one total DGen trading session in JR's Discord. Oh yeah, man. And we do it too. Like, we'll be in JR's Discord and we'll do DGen trades. Like Guns at DGen. We killed it. Couple other ones too. Absolutely killed them. And sometimes we get stopped out. We go over the trade, thought process, the whole nine. And then when it's ready, we trade again. So yeah. Yeah. That's cold for San Antonio. Heck yeah. Heck yeah, that's cold for San Antonio. Wix, Wi-Fi 89. What's up? What's going on? Here. Those are lots of missed gains to be given up. It depends on how you think of it. For me, I'm reducing my risk. And I mean, if I were to sit out on this on a 15-minute time frame, I'd enter right now. Sure, I'd enter now, and I'd have a stop loss, but I'd have to watch it though. I'd have a stop loss right here. 5062. I'd have my stop loss. And if it hits, it hits. Okay, no problem. I just wait for a break of a high or a retrace, because this right here is a good retrace from this extension leg. but I would have to watch it. Beautiful 0.5. Good Lord, that's so sexy. That's incredibly sexy. And then if it rolls over to the 0.5, my worry zone breaks a 618. Uh-oh, danger zone. And then now, oh, that was the top. And it came down. And then now, if I enter and I get stopped out, I could try to short it, but more than likely what I'll do is I'll wait to see what happens. Does it break a high? Breaks a high, enter long. Breaks a short, breaks the low. Okay, let's try a short so we can get all this and maybe all this. But for these type of trades, like I would have to watch it just so I can adjust my thought process on the fly. But it looks great though. Too risky for me though, unless I watch it. Let's see here. Meet Damien says, me and Porky doing a collab stream. Hey, tomorrow at 5. Dang it, I work. Man, I'm off on Monday. Reschedule it for Monday so I can watch. Okay. That's nice, man. Congrats. Congrats. I love Porky. I can't watch him, man. He's on way too late for me. And I have a job. I'm mind fiat, boring. So I have to make sure I'm awake, do all my stuff that I got to do in the morning. But good for you, man. Good for you. Hopefully it goes well. And I definitely have to watch the replay on that. Is it going to be only on TikTok? Or are you going to record it? Record it, man. Record it and put it on YouTube as like a video, just a regular video. That'd be cool. See here, a Degeneration X in the house, my man. What's up, guys? What's going on? Squid, I see you. Yeah, Squid was doing a live stream. He's trying to do a prop firm and doing trades and stuff. So that's pretty cool. He wasn't talking. His audio is way low, too low. Next time he's in JR's Discord, I gotta tell him. Or if he's watching right now, your audio is way too low, man. Way too low. What I would recommend doing for any YouTuber who doesn't know about their audio being low, watch their video and click on any other video from somebody. Doesn't even matter who. It could be dogs or whatever. And you'll see that their level is way up here and your level is way down here. So you need to crank up your audio. Okay, moving on. Let's see here. Oh, she's in surgery? What? What happened? Oh, wait, okay. She's doing better? Okay. Yeah, I heard something about the dog, your dog, but I didn't get too into it. Hopefully she's doing fine. One thing with animals, like, they are really an extension of your family. Really. Like me, I have two. But I'm officially a cat lady, though. I got Becca. She was my ex's boss's cat that I think he inherited or something. I don't know. Anyway, so, you know, she came with the house and I didn't want to leave her at the other place. So I love her, man. She's a love bug. Oh my gosh. Little one, he'll give you love when he wants. But yeah. But they're like, they keep you company, make you laugh, and yeah, the good stuff. Here, Joe knows that's the authentic stuff. Let's go. Yeah, I'm glad I didn't have my jacket on. Getting a little warm right now. Getting a little warm. Oh man, I'm sleepy though. I woke up too early this morning. Went to Walmart. Of course, nobody's there to help. Couldn't find the stuff I needed. Things were like put in different spots where like I couldn't tell the prices. Then I went to Lowe's and bought stuff there. Let's see here. I told you. I told you that's what I want. That's what I want. You know what? I've never been with a Mexican girl. I've always had white females, white girls. Maybe I should get with the Mexican girl. be eating tortillas and fideo and oh my gosh. Joe, why are you smiling so much? Just thinking about fideo and like real fideo, not to be racist, but white people fideo. Peanut butter jelly. You ain't got no chicken wings. Oh, which reminds me, I gotta cook. I gotta cook tomorrow. As soon as I get home, I gotta put that stuff in the crock in the Instapot. Let's see here. Crypto Squid says trading gold all day long. Let's go. Oh, having a job, I know. But I love it. I love my job. It's funny too, because story time. The lady who always gripes about everything. So I mean, I work in the meat department and I love it, man. Like zero stress, like literally compared to my job that I used to have, zero. And so, you know, I finished cleaning everything else and I go and I restock some of the stuff. I don't do it all because I'm supposed to be gone already, but I restock some of the stuff. And as soon as I get in, Joe, you know, don't let this go down to zero. I said, whoa, whoa, whoa. I said, you're welcome. What? I said, you're welcome for restocking this, restocking this, restocking this. And then she's like, oh, I didn't know you did that. I said, of course not. You just said, oh man. It's funny how I talk to her. I almost said the F word to her. I almost did. I couldn't believe it. I said, are you freaking, and I said freaking. I said, are you freaking kidding me right now? I said, I did all this stuff and you're complaining about one. I said, wow. I said, okay. Okay. But yeah. Job? That don't buy me. And hairy cats are the best, yeah. We got Blue Collar Trader in the house saying, hey Joe, freaking cold in Chi-Town. Stupid snow. Yeah, man, so far right now it's only like 55 degrees. We're expecting the major hit Monday, and then I think Wednesday, Thursday, where the lows are gonna be in like in the 20s. I'm off Monday and I'm off Wednesday, but my coworker, he needs a ride on Monday, and that really sucks because I'm off on Monday. He didn't ask me, but I told him, I said, dude, I would offer, but I'm afraid I'm not gonna wake up because I gotta be at his house by like 6 in the morning. I was like, dude, like I would offer, but I don't think I can wake up that early, man. And I got to warm up the car and everything, drive over there. I'm not sure the conditions. I might have to drive slow. He lives like 15 minutes away, and get him and drop him off at 15 minutes. And he, oh no, Joe, like I wouldn't ask you, like I know you're off or whatever. It's like, man, it just sucks. Like normally I help people out, but dude, I don't want you like to depend on me, and then I don't even wake up. Oh no, you're cool, Joe. Okay. See, Crypto Squid says, I checked my audio, seemed fine. No, click on any video. Click on any video. So my speakers, I have it on 50 all the time. And your background music was literally background music without you talking. Now the music was a perfect level if you were talking, but you weren't talking. So that's what I'm trying to say. Rather have 5 cats than 1 wife. Yeah. I don't know, man. Man, my last one, man, she could cook. The first meal she made, it was called buttery eggs. I guess eggs was a crap load of butter. Man, I fell in love right that moment. At that moment, he knew he effed up. Yeah, that was me. See here. LOL, I have an epic job and I still don't like doing more than 2 to 3 hours a day. There you go. There you go. Very true. Quick Wife says, so much anti-Waffy talk in the chat. I see how it is. You're funny. Mexican women will beat the crap out. Oh man, I had a white one that did that. But I don't know. Maybe I gotta get me, okay. So
Johnny December has donated $20 and says biggest for him and take an Uber. Don't drive. Just chill at home, brother. Enjoy your time off.
Johnny December, you're the best, dude. You're my favorite times 3. Give you a heads up. Favorite times 3. So for those of you who know, like there's an Aztec warrior, like an Indian, there's an Aztec warrior, you know, great shape, of course, well-defined muscles, the whole 9. And he's carrying a female in his arms, you know, she's in his arms and he's doing, you know, walking or whatever. And I would tell everybody at work that I have that, because they asked me, do you have any back tattoos or whatever? I said, well, I have one on my stomach, you know, my chest and my stomach, where it's the Aztec warrior, you know, the feathers and everything, and he's carrying this really beautiful woman. And well, since I've gained weight, my stomach's kind of expanded. So now the Aztec warrior is carrying the female, but now he's like this, and she's a gordita, she's a fatty. He's like, oh. Oh. And of course they all started laughing. They're like, nah, for real? I said, I don't know. Let's see here. Very nice. Let's see here. Ha, wifey. You're the exception, yes. Yes, indeed. What's going on, Shep? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. Yes, indeed. Shout out to the wives. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see here. Always find trash. Yeah. I always find trash. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I'm attracted to the crazy. Well, the crazies are attracted to me, and I'm attracted to them back. But it's like, nope. Nope. So instead, I bought an Instapot, and I've been cooking. And man, today at work I bought a chicken salad, which is literally like just mush with a lot of bones. I only got like half of it, and I don't even. I'm probably just throw it away. And I don't like throwing away food, but I don't like chewing on bones either. So here. Let's see here. Shep says, Mark, I bet you're happy. But you find total happiness without a soulmate, my friend. But you find total happiness without, yeah. So, like for me, I always thought I needed somebody. Like I've always had somebody. And I would like somebody to cook though. Clean, do laundry and dishes. Joe, you're a male chauvinist pig. Tell me what you want. Let's see here. Mark Dutch. For the win. For the win. You're funny. Only on TikTok? That's cool. Hey, but record it though. Record it. That's cool, man. Let's see here. 5 cats. Let's go. Let's go. I was not talking just music. I know, but the music was really low. It was background music, literally background. But yeah, I know. Yeah, just you know, if you want the advice, you don't have to take it. But if you're gonna do with no sound, no talking, then don't have your background music as background music. Have your background music as music. You know what I mean? So people can be jamming out. The squid ain't afraid to trade gold. Yeah, and get these gains. Yeah. And again, every trader is different. Every trader is different. For me, I would have to watch it. Like I said, like if I'm going to do that, I won't be in it for a few days. Like it would literally be a scalp that turns into a swing or intraday, then swing. But I would have to watch it. Let's see here. See here. You know it so far. 200 profit. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Nice. Johnny for the win. Let's go. I find a new soulmate every other week or the weekend. Well, let's go. That's right. That's right. To here. Yeah. Not everyone is the marriage type. Yeah. I don't know if I'd ever want to get married again. My divorce lawyer would be happy though. He's like, yo, the next one's on me. Let's go. Like, no, man, you're not supposed to do it. No, it's not supposed to be like that. Let's see here. Going to the list. Mark Dutch says, I love crypto talk. We're not here to talk about crypto. Here. Me David says, Pax Gold making me money again after I sold for profit today and bought the dip again. Very nice. Very nice. Good for you. Hopefully you keep on compounding those gains. I love it. Who took the trade, guys? Who took the trade? Put 7 in the chat. Put 7. That's so funny. I love it when people go, this one, it looks like it's going to go up and hit these levels, blah, blah, blah. If it breaks this level, we could come down in here and then, I'm looking for it to go up. The market looks great, blah, blah. And then boop, who took the trade, guys? Who took the trade? Put whatever. Like, wait a minute. You were saying you wanted to go up, but you said maybe down, but you talked like the rest of the time up. And then he goes, who took the trade? That's funny. That's funny. See here. Funny. Crypto Squid says, been trading gold all day long. Nice. Here. Yep. Very true. Very true. Yeah, and one thing too, you don't want to be trading when you're tired. Tired, like asleep, frustrated, angry, rushed. That's one of the big ones for me, is being rushed. Like I'll go and like, man, it looks great. Oh man, let me just enter it before I go to work. I'll enter it and then I'll come back home, 8 hours later, 9 hours later. It's like, did it play out? Did it go? And sometimes I get stopped out. I was like, dang it. Sometimes they're way up. It's like, oh, I forgot to do the target. But yeah. So here. Very nice. Don't forget about this one. Delete. So here. Me Damien says, me and Porky doing a bull versus bear debate. He's the Bitcoin bull and I'm the Bitcoin bear. That's gonna be very cool. Like I said, man, I wish you record it. I wish you would record it and put it on YouTube and say it was live for TikTok. And if you want more content like this, make sure to not only subscribe to YouTube, but also TikTok. I want to see it. All right, let's see here. Go on the list. Any questions, comments, concerns, issues, let me know. See, did you guys know rabbits actually like carrots? I thought it was just a Disney thing. Oh yeah, they like carrots. Lettuce. Yeah. Shep says, Johnny, I was single until I was 30. Let's go. I said, if I ever get married, it'll be once. Smart. That's always the plan. Like, I didn't plan to get married all the times I did. I really didn't. It is what it is. DJ Generation X says, careful, longing, Pax Gold. Let's go. Yep, we got 2 traders doing Pax Gold. I'm making money. For me, Damien mentioned this yesterday. To me, it's too risky. And it's gone up since then. Does that mean that like I missed out? Sure, if you want to look at it like that. That's only because it went up. If it would have been down, well, it would have been a great call. But it's just too risky. For me, like I literally would have to watch it. And if it breaks it, and the reason I want to watch it, because if it breaks the 0.5 and it comes down, I would short it. Like instantly short it. because hopefully it'll come all the way down here. So we'll see. Let's see here. Johnny December says, Tourist Island every week. There's a new, nice mainland girls. Never a shortage. Let's go. See here, risk management for sure, guys. Yeah, 100%. See here, Johnny December to Shep says, I'm 45. Been in some great relationships with some great gals, but they like to charge up. Yeah. Oh, change up a lot. Get tired of the same one. Yeah. And that's most of them, you know. And then finally they'll settle because they've already had all their fun. And I say this a lot, you know, like, I don't know how I should say it, but yeah, but that's what they do. Joe, you've been hurt. No, it's true. Like, that's what they do. They will continue going, and then finally they'll be like, you know what? I've already had a lot of fun, you know, and now it's time to settle. And while guys are like, man, like, I just want to settle. Like, anyway, let's see here. Hey, Damien. Legend, let's go. Let's see here. See, Johnny December says, I love that you get that treadmill in your lives. Thank you, man. It means a lot to me. It really does. Because I've always been worried. It's like, oh man, you know, because the audio was all messed up. And even when the audio was like crazy messed up, y'all got, hey, we got Crypto Jar in here. Crypto Jar on X. What's up, man? Appreciate you. And even when the audio was like crazy messed up, y'all are, no, man, like, do the treadmill. And that means a lot to me. It really does. I love doing this. You know, two birds, one stone, and one, it keeps me accountable. I've been doing the treadmill for a long time, like 3-4 months now, every day. I think I've done, like, I've skipped like 4 days, maybe 5. And like one of them especially was intentional. I was like, man, I'm too tired. I don't want to. The other day, I think I was like maybe under the weather, allergies. But that was just me being a baby. I wasn't even like sick, just being a baby. Just a big baby. Rabbits love beer too. Hey, there you go. Yeah, when I was at Walmart, and like, I don't drink anymore. But I have bought, you know, the non-alcoholic beer. What use is that, Joe? That's a waste of money. Just have the taste of it. And I've bought a few of them, and I was there. It's like, should I buy it? And like, maybe next time. But I have bought non-alcoholic beer, and it tastes good. It tastes just like beer, but without me, you know, paying for people's bills and waking up the next day and like, what happened to my account? Where's my $14? That's all I got, $14. Treadmill intuition. Let's go. You're funny. So here, Johnny, it's like habit stacking. Welcome to treadmill while doing his trainings. Yeah. And thank you guys. It really means like a lot that y'all are supportive. Someone get Dutchy a beer. Let's go. Rabbit stacking. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Let's see here. I mean, even says, I just bought the dip on River. Let's look. Oh, let's look at River. This River. Hey, River. Bought the dip. Here, I would have liked it. Here, I'm worried. Okay. So this was my thought process. I don't know if I showed this on air or if this was in JR's Discord. We were here. Oh, I think I actually entered. Anyway, my thought process at this moment was, we're here. I would like to see it come down to come up and break this. from here, we did come down to bounce in this zone, and we broke this. Perfect. This is just like a no leverage type trade. Oh no, I think we did it here on the live stream yesterday, last night, because I remember saying that about 20%, and then I would have it down here, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. But this one's been coming up. This was the bigger picture. This is the hourly, 4 hour. This right here was the 15-minute time frame. So we could go down before going up to do this number. Right now we're way up here. It worries me. So here's the thing. Look, let me show you something. I love that soundbite. Let me show you something. Okay. So from this extension leg to here, we had a small, tight pullback. Then we came up, no pullback. We continued going up, and then we had a pretty decent pullback. So if we look at this pullback from here to here, we can see that we came down just below the 0.5 into the golden pocket with kind of body closes, 15-minute time frame. Then we started coming up. Okay. Then from here to here, nice retrace. We're not going to the 786 or breaking the 618, 786 area. Then we come up here, same thing, nice retracement, not even 50, well, maybe 50%, 38, 50%. But then here, we break the 618. Oof. Now I'm getting a little worried. Now there's a lot of traders out there that love entering on the 786, like a lot, and they're successful too. For me, that's when I'm actually nervous, because what could happen, so what I just showed here was the momentum, the pullbacks, 38, 50%, sometimes 618, 38, 50%, sometimes 618. But here we broke below the 618, and what could happen is we could start doing this. And again, because the market's not great. So this is what we could do. Now, in order for me, and like some traders, man, they actually bank crazy. Me, Damien's probably gonna bank on this one. Were you going long or short? I didn't even see. Probably long. Oh, I can't find it. Oh my gosh, we got Doc the Goat. What's up, buddy? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you. But could it go up from here? Sure, of course it can. But since it broke the 618, this is when I start getting nervous. Like, ooh. Would I short? Not even. Once it breaks this zone, then I'll think about shorting. But could I short up here? Sure. I want to catch the absolute top, or here, sure. But it's just risk. It's too much risk. Now, in order for me to long this coin, again, everybody's different. I would have to see price come up, more than likely to here, to come down, to go up. Then what I would do is I would enter here once it breaks this pivot. And then for a short, it would be breaking of this. But right now it's too risky. Could you enter right now and then go up, and then you check in tomorrow and you're up 80%? Sure. And I hope that happens. But to me, it's because it can always roll over. And if it goes up, great. If it goes down, get stopped out. But I don't want to take that risk. I'd rather enter here, have my stop loss here, and it's already broken a pivot to where it's changing, hopefully, the trend. But yeah, River from last night played out crazy. I think I taken the trade. I think my lower entry hit. I think I I think I cashed out here. I didn't write any of this up. I think I cashed out here. Let's see here. Let me see. I think I did those. Here. Okay. Oh, for a long. Okay. Hopefully it continues to go. But for me, I would have to enter up here. Now, would you make more money entering now than me? Yeah, 100%. Big time. However, I don't want to risk 4%. I let 4% go so that when I enter, it's safer because it could roll over. But yeah, that looks nice. It's been doing nice since yesterday's stream. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, I'm happily married here. Nice. Very nice. Thank you, Johnny. Appreciate you, man. See here. Oh, Mark Dutch with the win again. I was gonna wait for it. Like, wait, where's it at? Where's that? Very nice, my friend. Very nice. Happy to see you here, bud. Happy to see you here. Make sure, of course, everybody smashes the like and all that fun stuff. That's a great. See here. Going to the list. Try Heineken. Yeah. Which one have I? Of course, I've done Bud Light. I think I've done Heineken. I think, oh yeah, that was the first one because they didn't have, that was the only one that was left on there. And I had it like, oh man, this is good. Then I had Bud Light. And I don't think I had any other ones. But yeah, the Heineken one, that was the first one because that was the only one there. Oh man, it tasted so good. It's like, where's my buzz? Throwing the cans and the bottles. Where's my buzz? Yeah, I liked it. It was good. Beer is nasty. Oh, they also I didn't know this, but they also have non-alcoholic wine. I didn't know this. Somebody in the chat said it last time. I was like, oh, that's cool. I'm not much of a wine drinker, but I don't know. Maybe I just stick with the beer. See here, I drink wine mostly. Don't tell anybody. Yeah. It's funny. The first time I had wine, my wife at that time poured me a glass, and I drank glunk, 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 glunk. Ah, it's nasty. That's the most disgusting thing ever. She goes, Joe, you're supposed to sip it. You know, like on TV. Like, oh. So she poured me another one, and I went. It's like, ooh. Hey, that's pretty good. A couple glasses of that, I was getting ready to dance. That's pretty good. I'm very nice. Mark Dutch. I only drink wine between 9 and 5. That's funny. See here. You can watch it for free. A buff streams, plus Justin's a bro of mine. Ooh, nice. Very nice. Let's go. Let's go, moon mission. Let's go. Okay. Cheap wine. Yep. Yeah, it's funny. One of my residents, they had a doctor's order for 1 cup of wine every night. And of course, some of the nurses were jerk faces. They give, 1 cup of wine, but they would leave like that much space on the top. Not me. I'd fill that bad boy up to where it had a little bubble. And I would walk it so close, so careful to her room. I was like, here's your 1 glass of wine. Oh, Joe, thank you so much. Not a problem. Not a problem. Yeah, I would do it to where it had that bubble. Yeah. Let's see here. Very nice. Wine gives people an excuse to. Yes. Very true. Very true. Here. Champagne. Let's go. See here. Put it on the list. Yeah, I used to buy the box ones. They're good. They be good. See here, I'm mostly out of river. Took 75% out, letting the rest run. All-time high. Let's go. Let's freaking go. I like it. Stop to break even. Nice. Very nice. Shep says no to Bud Light. Yes. Very true. What's the point of non-alcoholic wine? Might as well be grape juice. Very true. And Shep's got a point. Shep has got a point. That's funny. See here, I only drink when I'm happy, sad, or mad. I love it. You guys are the best. Oh, you guys are leaving. Uh-oh. Who's going on right now? Kind of. Yeah, kind of all the time. That's funny. Too much fun. You guys are the best. All right, let's see here. Who is live right now? Let's go and check it out. Let's go and check it out. And that's me right there. Getting the steps in. Let's go. Moon mission. You know what? I am feeling really good since I've been doing the stepper. The only problem though, because, well, I'm making regular money now, is I'm starting to buy more junk. And I've noticed that. So now I started buying more fruits. But I was doing the honey buns like every day. I did a honey bun yesterday, I think. Or was it today? No, yesterday. Did a honey bun yesterday. That was the first time I did that in like a week, maybe two. I don't really know. Let's see here. There's a lot of news for the weather. Yeah. I don't know who that is. Nobody. Is this for tomorrow? 7/8. Oh no, January 8th. Oh, that he forgot to take that one off. Oh well, no one's on. But I do have to stop because I'm starting to sweat. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. We have traveled 1.12 miles on the stepper today. I love it. 1.12 miles. We're just going one on the speed. Not trying to work up a sweat, but I'm sweating. 67 minutes on the stepper. I love it. 1.13 miles. Let's go. Let's freaking go. All right, guys. So that's it for me. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. Thank you so much for being here. Man, I truly love you guys. And just know that you, not the one next to you or whatever, you are my favorite. 100%, you are my favorite. Thank you so much. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, not sure what time it is, your time. But my time is getting kind of late and cold. But it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. We'll see you tomorrow. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we don't poke your eyes out and say, oh, join my group for X amount of dollars so I can show you how to trade. We do it here every single day. Talk to you soon. Tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern. See ya. Joe, it looked like you were going to say more. Well, I was, but I keep on having like just extremely long audios and outros. How do I turn this thing off? Oh, there we go.